Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In today's video, I will be guiding you through how to unfollow friends in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. If you're looking for a way to unfollow a friend in Mobile Legends, then first of all, open up the Mobile Legends app on your device, and once you are done, go ahead and tap on your friend's icon, which is indicated by two humans on the right hand corner. You will then end up in the social tab. Go ahead and select the following/followers tab and make sure that you're inside the following tab. All of the people that you are following currently will be displayed on this page. Choose someone you'd like to unfollow and tap on their name. After selecting their name, you'll see a little magnifying glass at the bottom of the pop-up. Simply tap on it and you will then be able to open up their profile section. You will see that you have followed the person by looking on the right hand side. If you have followed the person, you will see the followed button. Tap on that and in the pop-up, click on OK to unfollow the player. After tapping on OK, you will no longer be following that friend. Don't worry, your friends won't get notification that you have unfollowed them or something like that. So that is how you easily unfollow someone in Mobile Legends. You can always go back to their profile and follow them back again by tapping the follow button, and that is it. That's how you easily do it. I hope you found the video helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.